Today we were on the beach, I think for 7 or 8 hours, and just have been there and took some bath and slept and rode, and now I went to take a shower. Leroy did some laundry. Good morning guys, on day 9. It's I think 8:30 and we have to leave the camping at 12, and this is what it looks like now. So I have to hang up the laundry. We want to eat breakfast here and maybe take a shower again. And this is my jellyfish situation. It doesn't hurt anymore.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
We are back from a little hike. We walked from this 2 bridges to another bridge. It was really beautiful. We walked on the way up and then down. We went through the river. It was really cool. Here you can park, and here are these 2 bridges. Here you have 2 rivers, and we were on the river there.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
We were here now, but I saw this place there. Focus, where are you? I don't know. And now we want to change to this place.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
Easy. So here we're gonna enjoy our evening. I'm really happy for this freedom here. Just to say, wild camping in Corsica is not allowed, but mostly tolerated. So please take your trash with you, and even your toilet paper. Please take it with you, please. So this is our place.